오케이. 2단계는 이걸로 하자. Have a
Question
question.
one. First question. Is it correct to brush your teeth right after
Eating something?
Eating something?
Before or after, yeah?
After.
Right after.
Правильно как? И перед, и после. Ну, вообще после.
She say
После.
after eat.
After it, is it correct?
She say
Or
yes.
in.
После еды. Нет?
No?
Перед и до.
Before and after.
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 After is it right?
Right after.
Right after. Not after. Right after. Like eating and right.
Yeah.
Is it right or not?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
No?
One more time.
One more time.
No, right.
Yeah.
В смысле, нельзя так делать?
You have to stay about 30 minutes.
Короче, немножко подождать, не сразу.
Brush your teeth after you
After,
eating something.
3 minutes and...
30
minutes. About 30 minutes. Yeah.
30 минут. После 30 минут чистить. О, окей.
Okay.
This is present. Second question. 얼마? 이건 2단계.
이게 뭐야?
이거 2단계.
이걸로 할까?
Okay. So when you go to the 치과를 보면 like dental
Clinic.
clinic. Yeah, clinic. So they clean your their tooth like that. So what is the term? What is the term? Term.
What we call that?
What do you call that
Procedure.
that operation?
What times ear clean?
Yeah.
What times clean
Yeah.
teeth?
Yeah.
Сколько год? По-моему, каждый год.
달라진 것 같긴 한데. Я хожу каждый
It starts with
полгода.
S.
S. Start with S.
Раз в полгода.
Know that word?
She says half year. Ever half
Нужно
year.
ходить раз в полгода.
아, 그럼 여기는 몇 번 하는지 얘기하고
빈도로
빈도로 진짜
Two ones here.
빈도로 얘기하셨구나.
No.
네, 그 단어가
К стоматологу нужно ходить раз в полгода.
This
뭐가?
wait. It's similar to tooth breaking and tooth brushing, but we so actually the dentist brush your teeth. Not with this. They have like more expert
Раз в
teeth
2 месяца нужно
machine.
чистить зубы дантиста.
Scale.
The answer is scale.
Scale.
You know
Do
that?
you know that?
Scale, clean teeth.
Dentist.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 3.
이걸로 하자.
Okay. So this is you get 2. And last question for this. Okay. So this is open for 40 seconds.
아니 그냥 이걸로 하자.
그럼
몇 밀인가?
okay. So we gave you this information, and you have to find our answer about it. So
The question is 한 번에
Они сейчас думают, как переводить.
what is
да?
the adequate millimeter of this
for one time.
for one time?
Вот так.
Сколько надо?
Yeah.
So for 40 seconds, you have to find here.
How much this?
Yeah, how much
Yeah. How much you
you
one time?
at once? Yeah.
За сколько ты эту штуку, походу, выпьешь?
Выпью.
За сколько раз ее
Прям
хватит?
выпью?
So here, 40 seconds, you're flying.
За сколько? В смысле, мне надо пить?
Right now?
Или что?
Yeah, right now. Start.
Что? Я не понимаю.
You can use internet. You can use internet.
아니 지금 쓰는 말로
Here's the information. Just find the numbers.
За сколько, короче, ты ее вот так вот выпьешь, типа, по чуть-чуть? Я не знаю.
По чуть-чуть?
Ну да, ты же
No,
положишь...
no, no drink.
Но нет, подожди, ты употребляешь ее...
А куда?
Yeah. So, how much? How much?
Сколько раз тебе можно вот эту штуку использовать?
Благодарю.
Мне кажется, раз 10
Translate? No understand.
Capacity to use at once.
Capacity.
Capacity가 맞나?
유지라고 맞지
UCD?
않아요?
UCG?
Usage. The usage.
I use this.
Yeah.
How much?
Yeah. How much?
Amount.
At once.
How much
Сколько раз
at
я
once?
могу использовать эту бутылочку? Типа ты делаешь глотки, сколько
Like
глотков
10
ты
millimeters,
А,
20 millimeters, so what?
50, да?
нет, мне кажется.
Just guess. Just guess.
10,
Yeah.
10,
10.
что?
Yes, that's correct.
That's correct.
10 to 15. 10 to 15.
Что?
예.
And, Starbucks?
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah.
I'll give you.
Okay, it was hard.
Sorry.
I think mistake.
Thank you. Oh, this is